Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel Fold and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. First of all, you have to open your phone dialer. Then select the contact that you want to add this profile picture to and click on Edit. So here you've got your profile picture area, tap on Add Picture and now you can select one from the illustrations. You can customize it however you like. Discard this one. You can select one from your Google Photos or some photos that you've got on your device. You can also grab a picture right now if you will tap on camera, so then you can take a picture of your friend who is right in front of you. Let me choose, for example, this one. Tap on choose, then click on save. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is applied to your contact. Let me just refresh it. Wakey. Let's open contacts again, and this photo should be assigned. If it's not, let's do it one more time. And that's it now. You can see it is properly done. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.